So this is the first job opening, which is as a VAPT and pen tester. I actually have not seen the how many years of experience it required, so you can drop accordingly, minimum 1 year, right? And this is a mail ID career date infopercept.com, right? Next one is Inspira. So you can see there are a couple of job needs. Just pause your screen and you can see right away there are a couple of things, right? So senior consultant, a lot of things. So just put it out. Oh my god, deadline is no, it's I guess no. Next one is tech different labs. So they want VAPT manager and all those things. So just pause and see because I don't want to waste a lot of time. Next, Medic is want associate analyst. So guys, this is the URL of the website actually from where you can check out the career page on which you can apply, right? Next one is associate analyst, associate manager for the L1, L2, L3, which is in Kurla, Mumbai office. Immediate joiner 30-day. Okay, CH is mandatory. This is what it said to be. CISM, CSSP mandatory L3. This email ID is sajia@qssglobal.com on which you can apply. Right. Next one is network engineer, which is in Dighi, Pune. Recruit at beachski.co.in and subject as resume for Pune. There are a couple of things that you need to do, which is the network design and all those things. Next one is hiring a VAPD specialist for 1 to 2 years hands-on experience, web application, API, and mobile pen testing. whatsapp.r@dgfortext.com, careers@dgfortext.com is the mail ID on which you need to drop the resume. Right. Next one is SOC analyst Sentinel-1 EDR expert. 3+ years of experience is required. Mumbai based job. Protech Many Solution Private Limited, and these are a couple of core responsibilities, and these are the skills which require 1 to 5 years experience required, and all those things. Divya.k@protectmagazine.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. Yeah, that's all for today. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.